Hello everyone! Today I'd like to discuss one of my favorite topics with you today, investing. I want to share with you some techniques for investing in 2023 that can help you generate passive income. First and foremost, let's review the basics of investing. Investing involves putting money into something with the hope of making a profit. There are various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies, each with its level of risk and potential returns. Now, let's take a closer look at some specific investment options for 2023. Index funds. Investing in index funds is a popular passive investment strategy. Index funds are mutual funds that attempt to mimic a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. Investing in an index fund enables you to diversify your portfolio while potentially earning passive income from dividends and capital gains. One of the primary benefits of index funds is their broad market exposure, which can help reduce overall risk. Additionally, they are inexpensive, allowing you to retain more of your investment profits. Index funds have been found to outperform actively managed funds over the long term, making them an excellent choice for investors. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are another option for passive investing. A real estate investment trust is a company that owns and operates income-generating real estate, such as apartment complexes or retail malls. By investing in a REIT, you can receive passive income from the company's rental revenue and property appreciation. One advantage of investing in REITs is that they provide exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of owning and maintaining a property. Additionally, many REITs pay significant dividends, making them an attractive option for investors seeking passive income. Dividend stocks. These are stocks that regularly pay out dividends to shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn passive income from monthly dividends. One of the advantages of investing in dividend stocks is that they can provide a consistent income stream, especially for individuals nearing retirement or looking to supplement their current income. Furthermore, many dividend-paying companies have a long track record of stability and growth, making them a less risky investment than other types of equities. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to invest in loans to people or businesses. By investing in these loans, you can earn passive income from the interest paid on them. One advantage of investing in peer-to-peer lending is that it can provide higher returns than traditional fixed-income assets like bonds. Additionally, many peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to diversify your investment across a variety of loans, which can help reduce overall risk. Investing always carries some level of risk, so be sure to do your research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. However, if done correctly, investing can be an excellent way to generate passive income in 2023 and beyond. In conclusion, several investment options are available if you want to earn passive income in 2023. Whether you choose to invest in index funds, REITs, dividend stocks, or peer-to-peer lending, it's important to stay informed and make sound investment decisions based on your unique goals and risk tolerance. That's all for now, everyone. Thank you for tuning in.